Many sellers ask me, do I have to have an open house? If you imagine random strangers and nosy neighbors roaming around and peeking in your underwear drawer, I understand your fear. That's why no one ever views my listings without an agent by their side throughout every room. In fact, I often have extra agents assisting, and even my lender there to provide all the backup necessary to showcase and safeguard your home. But do open houses really sell houses? Sometimes they do. Motivated buyers are coming from Brooklyn and Hoboken without agents. Open houses also create excitement and put pressure on buyers. They help you get more showings done in less time and can shorten your time on the market. So it makes sense to be open to an open house. I'm Sueanne Sylvester with Coldwell Banker Realty. Call me to learn more about how I sell homes.